Hi. Today I will demonstrate how to create game art and assets step by step. I will be creating alien fantasy background for this tutorial. First, sketch the individual assets of the background by using any pencil brush. Try out different ideas before finalizing your assets. It may take several attempts before you get the right art for your game. Once the sketch phase for the game art is complete, it's time to work on the outlines and colorizing the individual art. Add a new paint and vector layer and start outlining the sketch reference by using basic brush. You can also use Bezier curve and shape edit tool to get the required result. I have covered the functionalities of Bezier curve in detail in my previous Krita video. Go creative with the shading of the game art. Once again, I am using Airbrush Soft, Basic Blend and Basic Brush for the shading of the individual game assets. Experiment with different brushes and try to find your art style. For adding bloom and shine to the 2D art, open up Photoshop and import the art into the canvas. Copy the layer and convert it to Smart Objects and convert the layer to Linear Dodge Add. Copy this layer and go to Filters and add Gaussian Blur at least 3 times in separate layers. I will cover bloom effects in details in the future videos. Import all the background and foreground into the canvas of Photoshop with the bloom effects to create a fantasy alien 2D background for video games. If you find my videos interesting, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the thumb up. Thank you.